The African Neurobiobank for Precision Stroke Medicine Project, particularly known as the ELSI Project, seeks to identify, examine, and develop novel interventions to address the ethical, legal, and social implications of stroke neurobiobanking in sub-Saharan Africa. The project also aims at building capacities and careers related to genomics and biobanking, especially around issues relating to genetic counseling, biobanking, and regulations. Neurobiobanking is the storage of the human brain and associated tissues donated by individuals after death for the purpose of research. Neurobiobanking, although new to Africa, can in principle revolutionize the management of stroke, a cardiovascular disease of public health importance, of which Africans share one of the highest global burdens.
The ELSI project is a 4-year project which began in 2018 and is domiciled in 7 sites in Nigeria and Ghana with over 60 community advisory board members comprising stroke survivors, community leaders, religious leaders, and representatives from various sectors including the public health sector, the legal sector, and the ethical review boards. Based on the project's objective to identify the ethical, legal, and social issues relating to neurobiobanking, a community-based participatory study was conducted using a mixed methodology to determine the perception of Nigerians and Ghanaians towards the donation of blood and brain tissue for genomics research and neurobiobanking.
While most people expressed a willingness to provide blood sample fractions for genetic research and biobanking, brain donation was a less familiar concept and fewer people were willing to donate brain samples.
The key findings from this study showed that across all groups, knowledge of concepts ranged from no prior knowledge to robust awareness. In addition, education, culture, and religion influenced knowledge and perceptions significantly.
Meanwhile, informed consent, return of individual research results, sample and data sharing, biorights, governance and regulations, particularly for biobanking, had varied perspectives. The finding from this study was used to produce 5 advocacy and informative videos to educate the stroke communities as well as the general public about the imperatives of the ethical, legal, and social implications of neurobiobanking and stroke genomic in Africa.
It's a basic ethical principle that before you do research, you must gain consent of the research subject. And I'm talking about informed consent, very important.
If I give you anything in trust, you must use it for that purpose.
You don't take it as an answer from Islamic perspective that my religion does not permit donating organs.
All this talk about genomics, precision medicine, is it for the future or is it for now?
What we really are trying to say is that these organs can be donated after death.
These videos were produced to inform, educate, and enhance perspectives that will promote a better understanding and participation in neurobanking activities in West Africa. The project currently has 3 PhD fellows in training, namely Mr. Yomi Olorunsogbon, Mrs. Bukola Odunwola, and Ms. Ezene Uvere. Also, about 130 early career researchers, faculty members, and ethics committee members have been trained on ELSI issues relating to genomics and precision medicine. Within the project years, 6 papers have been published in peer-reviewed journals, 3 manuscripts are currently under review and 8 manuscripts are still being developed. In addition, about 10 oral and poster presentations have been delivered, and a biannual project newsletter is currently available to provide continuous project updates for Community Advisory Board members.
The following are still ongoing steps planned for the last phase of the project. Second phase, training of early career researchers and ethics committee members. The intervention tools are also being finalized and are almost ready for community deployment. Evaluation of intervention processes and outcomes. Continuation of manuscript development, and dissemination of emerging results through meeting abstracts, publications, and community engagement platform. Special appreciation goes to all ELSI key investigators, project support teams, including the program manager, research assistants, community engagement coordinators, and all community advisory board members.
We specially acknowledge the generous contributions of our funders at the National Institutes of Health and the National Human Genome Research Institute. Thank you.